I've been using the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Plus in 2026, and honestly, it still punches way above its price. First impression, this thing is fast. Apps open almost instantly, menus feel smooth, and you don't get that annoying lag you sometimes see on older smart TVs. The Wi-Fi 6 support also makes a real difference. 4K streaming stays stable even when everyone in the house is online. Picture quality is solid too. You're getting full 4K, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos, so movies and shows actually feel cinematic. The AI voice search is surprisingly good now. You can just say, "Find action movies with car chases," and it actually understands you. But it's not perfect. The home screen is still very ad-heavy, and it really pushes Amazon content. Plus, 8 GB of storage fills up quickly if you install a lot of apps. So here's the verdict. If you're in the Amazon ecosystem, this is a great budget upgrade. But if you want a cleaner, less cluttered interface, you might want to look elsewhere.